Drizzle the rolling pin with caramel. Take the Oreo cookies out of the package. Grind the cookies in a blender and put them in a bowl. Cut the butter into pieces. Melt the butter in a steam bath. Mix the cookies with the butter. Put the mixture in the pan. Flatten with the bottom of the glass. Chill for 30 minutes. In the saucepan with vanilla-flavored pudding powder, pour in milk. Add sugar and mix. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Pour into 2 bowls. Mix the cream from one bowl with Nutella. Mix the cream from the second bowl with condensed milk. Fill the pan, alternating the layers of cream. Remove the mold. Pour cream into the middle. Decorate the cake on the surface. Chill for 3 hours. Put the caramel decoration. Chill for another hour. Chop the Oreo cookies finely. Fill the caramel decoration with ice cream and cookies.